Alright, this is the credit card machine, at least the brains of it. The one with the Z80 processor and this weird coin cell battery, probably for keeping settings of some sort, but it's probably long dead right now because this is manufactured in like '03. So, yeah, there is the processor. That's weird. The light from my... Well, see, that's just... that's even with that one right on it. Huh. Just doesn't like it very much. So that'll just stay on. Yeah, has a little piezo speaker. The ribbon cable that goes... This is for the ribbon cable that goes to the... shit, where did I put it? Anyway... It's the little pin pad. And on this side, this is where the screen goes. That little thing there. And that is where your magnetic stripe reader connects to with a little header. Let's see, ground strap going. That goes to the thermal printer. What battery was that again? 2450. So it's probably a CR2450 lithium battery made in Japan. That is way out of focus. Please, a focus camera. You do not have a ADHD, or not to me. Where did I put this? This is a thermal printer, which is also full of the screws that came out of this when I took it apart earlier. Looks like this has all the brains for the printing, as compared to like a printer like that, which has all the brains for the printing inside of it. This one, that just fell. This one, it just has the ribbon cable, which connects to the heating element for the thermal paper and the little stepper motor. And apparently the motor will get hot. Interesting. Yeah. This is just the film printer, and I stuffed all the screws in there, and I took it apart an hour ago. So yeah, there's a SK Hynix made in Korea RAM chip. I don't know. I could probably look that up. Power this on. That's on. It's a big whoosh. There goes Dell. Anyways, yeah, it says EPRM, so I'm just gonna assume that's the EEPROM. Yeah, coin cell that's soldered to the board. This is where the screen is mounted to, but I couldn't get to that damn nut there. Little inductor. This is some sort of weird serial interface. It looks like the old Mac serial interface. This is your power in. This is where you connect to your phone lines. One of them, I forgot which one. One is something labeled PIN or PIN, and then the other one is labeled line, because this would dial up to your to the bank or whatever. I don't know how these work. I've only ever been on the customer side of these things. But anyways, there is that Zilog processor. Get too zoomed in, it will have a shit fit. Zoom out, and then I gotta zoom in again. There it is there. It is indeed a Z80. Yeah. I always thought these were powered by some sort of really low-powered ARM processor, and there goes the dogs out back to bark at nothing, which is actually probably a possum up in the bamboo that is in the neighbor's back garden. Anyways, yeah. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's some sort of a coil or what. I could, yeah. It says ALEPH. Little transformer there. Well, that's all booted up now, so I could definitely do some research with you guys right here. There's a little RC car engine, little nitro methane RC car, 2-stroke thingy-ma-doohickey. So let's pull up Chrome. Yeah, just wait for that to go. One thing I do want to see, I want to put power to these 2 terminals on the side of the LCD. I want to see if it's electroluminescence or if it's just LED. I don't want to blow it up because I don't know what voltage that thing runs at. Yeah. Data vision. Well, that loads. I will look at the this little sticker here. So this says 5/18/03, so 18th of the 5th of 2003. It's pre B/I test, and this isn't. This just has a QA stamp on it. 03. So I'm gonna. That has to be 2003. I'm just gonna. That's just probably given there. Some those resistors. There's the relay that when it dials in, you hear that go click, and that connects it to the phone line. And we'll do the DTMF, you know, the you know, yeah. So okay, that's up now on Chrome. So let me look up. I don't even know what brand this thing is. So I could start by looking up the processor right there. So that is, you know, we should that gonna load my net there. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so let me, you know, I don't want to have to drag the keyboard out of the dungeon there. So I'm just gonna pull up an on-screen keyboard and do this slowly. Accessories, HHPs, math input, tablet PC, you know. This you see on on XP. This was just under accessibility. Okay, whatever. I'll just pick the keyboard up and put it on my lap. Okay. So we'll look up. What is it now? It is a. Set up and just look at it here. Z80 EIPC. So we'll do Zilog Z80 EIPC. No. Wait, hang on. Let me get a look at that through this. Through a camera here. This is like my microscope, kind of. Well, actually, let me just put up to the light. Yeah, EIPC. Enhanced Intelligent Peripheral Controller. It's a series of highly super integrated devices. It's a CMOS 8-bit microprocessor. Look at it, it's a nice little PDF. Yeah, there's its pinout. Look at that, 84 pin PLCC. It even has all the pin assignments. That's nice. This is very nice, a great success. Supply voltage max is 7 volts. Minimum is negative 0.3. Storage temperature 65 degrees C. Maximum temperature is 150 Celsius. Holy shit. Alexa, how many degrees Fahrenheit is 150 Celsius?
150 degrees Celsius is 302 degrees Fahrenheit.
Shit, that's hot. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, home automation display. So just look at this. There's the timing diagrams. That's pretty cool. I'm sure all the Z80 enthusiasts will go crazy seeing this stuff. I can I'll put a link to that in the video description and on the Twitter. Right? No, it is on the video description. Yeah, there are no new updates to install Windows. You lost support 2 years ago. You lost support 2 years ago. What's that? That's pretty cool. Let's see. Huh, so I guess a lot of the TI calculators still use the Z80 processors. I wonder if I dig up my old what's that? TI 84 plus CE. No, I'm gonna 84 plus CE. Alright, that's the one I have, yeah. It's being a bit slow. Yeah, that's it. That's the one. That is the one I have, and I actually I'm gonna probably get in trouble with the law for this, but I stole it from my high school in 9th grade, and I reset it and I just sideloaded a bunch of games on it, because you can do that with your TI calculators. Crud. Oh. There's even a user manual from Zilog. That's nice. This is probably going to be ancient now. Yeah, this is a pretty cool little thing. This is going to go on for a while probably. It says 2016 Zilog Incorporated. Anyway, now I'm going to look up that RAM module. It is a Hynix. Oh God, shut up, fucking antivirus bullshit. Anyways, where was I? Oh right. Okay. SK Hynix, and it is a right there. It's HY 628400A. Is a 512 kilobyte 8-bit CMOS SRAM, 55 nanoseconds. I can buy a chip for $50. That's interesting. Yeah, there it is right there. That's it. Pretty cool. Yeah. SK Hynix / Hyundai 512K 8-bit CMOS SRAM. That's pretty cool. That's zoomed out as it goes. Yeah. Okay. Now, next thing on the list is I want to see what kind of backlight that has. I don't know what voltage it runs at. I guess I'll just start safe and go with a 18650 cell. I can really have several of under my laptop tray. I need something to. Actually, no, there's another one. Yeah, there's an alligator clip right here. So I think what I'll do, turn the light on this again. This camera has a nice little light on it. My other camera, where is it? This one, it does better video than this camera. This Canon Vixia does 1080p 60. This does 1080 30. But this thing overheats after like 20 minutes of recording. It's bullshit. Like, why give it that function if it can't even handle it? Anyways, so yeah. Let's see here. I'll do this one-handed. I took off the strap because I was trying to tie it up to my top of my loft bed. Anyways, yeah. Oh wait, there it goes. It says 7V, so I'm probably gonna say that's 7 volts right there. I don't have any 9 volts just laying around. There's none that are charged. A couple of rechargeable ones. Alright, let's just wing it. Just, I don't know. Move this stuff out of the way. Little nitro engine. Yeah. Okay, so I see what I can do. I can just clip that to there, like that, because that is connected to that, the solder pads. And then I'll touch that to that. That's probably just gonna short out. No, it's actually sneaks good. Actually, I have a small 7.4 volt lithium polymer battery pack for drone accessories. For a drone that I no longer have, that battery died like 20 feet up in the air, and it just came down, and it came down on one corner and it broke the frickin' one of the, I forget what the fuck you call it. My brain is fried. Oh god, the rotors, one of the little motors, and it just fucked the whole thing up. What's this one? That's a male connector. I don't have now. Yeah, it's a bit of a problem. Actually, well, it might not be. Like, this is a barrel jack. So I can probably do that. Yeah? Nah? That window curtain up there, that little roll down shutter is getting so freaking annoying with the wind blowing it and the ceiling fan on and the fucking aeroplane. Whatever. We're just on the hill from a municipal airport. Why should I complain? Anyways, let's see. Recommend charging and so I'm getting sidetracked again. Damn it. Damn it. Let me connect alligator clip there. Connect to that solder joint there. I take a wire and like everything's getting fucking tangled. This is going on for 17 minutes. Oh yeah, it's an LED. Oh, that's nice. Turn off the light on here. That is not EL. That is just a really good LED. Yeah, because it's not running off of high voltage. It doesn't have a little high voltage thing. It's just bang. That's nice. Cool green, radioactive. It looks like radioactive green on the camera, but it's more of a yellowish green to my eyes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. Neato. Yeah. That reminds me of like a header on an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi. This is the, yeah, anyways. This is the other end of the header on the what do you call it? The motherboard? Logic board? I don't know. The main brain of the credit card reader. This is your little pin header. There's another pin header for the magnetic strip. So, you know, I actually have an old gift card laying here on my desk. You take it and you go shing, you know. Yeah. See, there's a little TDK chip right there. Look that one up too. And come back keyboard. Okay. So if I can take a look, is a whole bunch of numbers. Let me come back to that actually. Look at this little. Okay. Okay, it says focus. You piece of. My camera's having a hard time focusing. Okay, there's a T7. Oh. T7AEPRM, comma 410. Oh, here we go. Wait, that's I'm getting stuff for rifles. Yeah, Express long range board. That's funny. Yeah, I'm a gun enthusiast myself, but that's not what I'm looking for right now. Computer chip. No, that's not. I'm getting RAM and Intel Atom. It's old. Okay, we'll look up a different part number on it. 5A30C. Right? Yeah. Computre. Computre. This thing is also getting warm, but it is not screaming at me to turn it off. Ted Lasso, what does that have to do with... Anyway, shit. Okay, back to the TDK chip. And also, there's like shmoo all over this thing. Like, I don't know if that's flux from when they were soldering crap in there. There's little RJ11 jacks and the power and serial, I'm assuming, thing there. I don't know if that's flux or if caps have just... I don't even see caps on there, like big ones like that. I don't know. Actually, that's on the underside of one, so it could be leaking electrolyte. But I mean, it still worked last time I plugged it in. Right. Let me look up this TDK chip. Is a TDK 73K 224 BL -IH. That's a PLCC memory chip. Okay. Okay, I see. Except this one isn't. This one is socketed. This one is just surface mounted. Yeah, look, there you go. That's the same one right there. PLCC memory. Lead free, yeah, cause there's all these little terms being thrown around. I always forget what means what. F. Leaded chip. Okay, yeah. It is a plastic leaded chip carrier, a square surface mount chip package with plastic leads on all four sides. Okay. Okay. So this is some sort of memory module. This little doohickey right here. Yeah. There's the same number. Yeah. Okay. So it has 512K of RAM, a Z80 processor, piezo speaker to make computer noises when you hit the buttons on the pin pad, so you know you're doing something. Yeah. It's nice. This is nice. I want to see if I can repurpose for something. It's just a dot matrix LCD. Something at the bottom there is a bit decrepit. Right there in the bottom there. I don't know what's happening there. If it's degradation or something. Okay. There's another chip here I want to look up. This one right there. OKI. M6242. M6242B. That is a memory chip as well. Oh, it's a, I see. Silicon Gate CMOS real-time clock / calendar for use in direct bus connection / microprocessor microcomputer applications. Okay. So that's a RTC, kind of like the old Dallas RTC chips you see in old PCs. That have since been replaced by BIOS stuff, and you can switch out the coin cell, and they don't have the integrated battery. Yep, that's it right there. Yep, that's a little chip. Surface mount, has all the little legs there. Alright, it's very nice. Lots of other little bitty chips that are probably resistor packs and transistors and all that good stuff that you find in solid state computers now. And it's crazy. We went from processors not needing cooling to needing a big heat sinks and fans and now water cooling for just regular old PCs. Like this one, this only has a Pentium something or other. It's like weird, one of the newer Pentium variants for low end. This could have had a higher end processor, but this is a street find computer. Found it curbside. Someone nearby threw it out and they left all their personal documents and all in it. So now I have all their passwords and email addresses and job locations and probably social security numbers that I've deleted off of there, but I guarantee you if I there's files on here and there's like even torrented TV shows and movies and stuff. Okay, we'll look at this one here. Singular. It is a back in frame. It is a too close. Crap. It is a M3-2200. It is a dual track F2F decoder. F/2F decoder. Yeah, it's Chinese. Yeah, that's what. 1500 bits per track, 5 volts DC. Huh. Yeah, that's it right there. A little doohickey there. Would function. I don't know what could that be for. Huh. What is oh, let me purpose. It is okay, here we go. 2 frequency coherent phase. Oh, it's used for decoding data on magnetic stripe cards. So that's what reads the. Oh yeah, and it's like right next to the. Right there next to the. There's the header, and there's the thing with jig for the. To I guess decode the data. This is this is an old gift card I have lying on my desk. Just to decode that magnetic stripe. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I mean, I guess you could similar could be used for floppy disks because those are magnetic media. Yeah, this is IEEEexplore.org. Let's see. That's as far zoomed out as it'll go. In this method, a series of binary bits representing the data are encoded in terms of magnetized areas, different polarity along the tracks. The conventional method for decoding F2F is by using software. A purpose-built digital decoder circuit can, however, greatly enhance the system's performance, such as speed. This is published in 1992, and it looks like it, even how bad that scan is. But yeah, okay, that's a basic diagram too for anyone to geek out at. That's pretty nice. Very nice. High five. Oh, here we go. This paper describes a computerized security lock and access system using the digital decoder circuits to decode data retrieved from a handheld magnetic stripe card reader and sent to the central computer via parallel I/O converter. Huh. That's cool. Yeah. You learn something new every day, I guess. In this case, every night is a 9:56, almost 10 o'clock in the night. Yeah. Oh, there's a little. This is a, I guess it means 2-layer board. Okay. Cool. Some unpopulated areas. I don't know what could have gone there. So it's RAM. Something. It's a PLCC. And that is for decoding the data on your credit card. At least the magnetic stripe, as you can see there. Yeah. Neato. What else is there to look up? I wonder if I can just credit card reader 030473-113-D. Okay. Yeah, that's giving me stuff for Square POS terminals. Huh. Where did I place the frickin' the shell to it? Just had it. Let me set you guys down here. Jeez. Wait. Did it fall or something? I bring everything into one piece. I don't know. That is bizarre. Yeah. It was very ancient looking, at least by today's standards, with all the NFC readers and insert chip and whatnot. Yeah. Interesting. That's got me wondering, like, what kind of processor does this little digital radio have? This is HD radio. This is what our over-the-air, free-to-use digital radio standard is here in the US, and I think Canada too, and Mexico maybe. In the UK they have DAB, digital audio broadcast, DAB radio. Yeah, this one can be run off of... Damn it! I'm dropping everything. 5 volts DC, 4 AA's, and you can plug in your headphones and auxiliary if you want to use it as a external speaker. Even though speakers on it are quite tinny. Where did I place the rest of that thing? Damn. Stand by, please. I'm trying to think. Oh, that's the bottom of it. Oh, here we go. I guess it is Hypercom T7 Plus, assembled in China. That was the brand. Okay, I thought Hypercom was like there's something else. I don't know. There's always weird little things. There you go. Oh my god. This is Hypercom T7 Plus. That is it right there. That one is, although it's much nicer condition. It is now 10 o'clock and my mood lighting has turned to red. See, look, there's this little brick there. Oh, this is a different one. Yeah, that's the one I just took apart. There's the power supply. And there's one complete in box for only like 30 bucks. 30 freedom dollars. With 5 refills. Oh, the paper. Yeah, that's it right there. That's nice. That's pretty neat. This one is only 16 bucks. A little bit more if you count tax. I don't know why they always list it as 99 cents. Why can't it just be? It's like so weird. I don't want to sign in with my Google account. Yeah, that's it right there. See, that's just how old it is. Like, holy crap. Oh, condition. That's why it's only 16 bucks. 4 parts or not working. Let's see. Yeah, of course, pre-owned. Merchant equipment store. Oh, there it is. There's the little green LCD. Oh, oh, it's out of focus. Please stop it playing a slideshow. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, a little green LED backlit. See, with the cameras it looks radioactive green, but like to the human eyes it's more of a green yellow color. See, how long have I been rambling on for? Almost, let's call it 36 minutes, 56 seconds, we'll say. That's what the counter says. That's a, well, that's a really old one. Dang. Where is that? Well, yeah, no, that's different. PS7 Plus. Release date. Huh? No, that's the... It was on Amazon. Oh, this one is a 1 megabyte of memory. Like, that's a big feature. Interesting. This one... See, this thing just looks ancient. That thing is saying on Amazon... See, this says December 8th, 2012, but this is the T7 Plus with 1 megabyte of memory. This one only has 512K. 3 out of 5 stars. Here's the manual. The manual. Yeah, that's that one right there. 1999. So that's about... Oh, excuse me. No, that's about when it came out. I want to see diagrams. See if there's any diagrams. Actually, yeah, there's the screen. That's wow, it's a 2 by 20 ASCII display. This was a... Oh, I see. I guess that's the different options. Figure 2 shows a 128 by 64 graphics display. And see those little segments there have dots in them. That makes it a dot matrix screen. It's a transmissive LCD, 5 by 7 dot matrix. Response time 180 milliseconds. View angle 30 degrees. Character set ASCII. Character size 3.2 by 5.55 millimeters. Yeah, a single power adapter drivels. What the fuck? My brain is fried. I need to take a shower and go to bed. Anyways, delivers positive 24 volts DC at 1 amp. Supplies terminal and printer power. Initialization. Automated terminal configuration is downloaded from the host or from the Hypercom Term Master. Term Master terminal profiles are downloaded. Okay. And it has all these self-test features and stuff, but it wants you to plug it into a phone line, which I have. But I have a landline. That one is even older. So, but like I said, given this date here, 03, and there, I would say this one is 2003. You see, 24 volts DC, 1 amp. Applies with FCC rules. Let's look up the serial number. Hypercom serial number lookup. Okay. This Hypercom parts accessory has been discontinued. Fuck. Just want to look at the stuff, you know. Okay. I think I've been going on for long enough now. 40 minutes. Holy shit. It's gonna take forever to upload. Okay. So yeah, that's that. Pretty cool. You don't see something like this every day. Z80 processor. I always think I always thought these things were powered by really low power ARM chips. Like, I mean, not like something even less powerful than what's in this Kia Sera. Yeah. Notice this device complies with the Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause an undesirable operation. Why does it have to receive but it cannot give? Well, it says it may cause it, but it also must accept it. Whatever. Huh. Assembled in China. Let's look up Hypercom. See a little bit about them. It was an Australian company. Wait, actually, hang on, wait. Oh, so it was founded in 1978 in Australia. Then it was acquired by Verifone in 2011, and now they're headquartered in Scottsdale, Arizona. Huh. The more you know. Yeah. Founder George Wallner, founded in 1978 in Australia. Doesn't say where in Australia. And then in 2011, it went defunct and it was acquired by Verifone. And I'm just going down a fucking rabbit hole. Acquired by Verifone. So website and website no longer is up. Okay, that figures. It was founded in Sydney, Australia. They signed a company, in '88 they signed a deal with American Express to provide its terminals to them in the U.S. And to consolidate the deal, Hypercom moved its head office from Australia to Arizona, then faced head-to-head competition with Verifone. Okay. Oh. Yeah. The more you know. Huh. They're founded in 1982 in Hawaii. Huh. Now they're headquartered in Coral Springs, Florida. Dang. Yeah. Shit. That's interesting. Yeah, they were in the 80s. The major credit card companies seeking methods to reduce processing costs and losses due to fraud. In 81, Visa and MasterCard began offering merchants discounts on their transactions if they agreed to use newly developed automated transaction technology for all purchases with cards greater than $50. Or at least. Oh, $900, man. It's a lot back in. Okay. Yeah, that's the ones we know today. Now I'm curious. Copy that. Open a new tab. Open a new tab. Paste that. I'll do. Specifications. Oh, USB serial port. This thing is getting hot in my hand, but it's not throwing a shit fit. You see, it uses this is what makes me think. 400 megahertz ARM11 32-bit RISC processor. This one has a Z80. Interesting. Could get 3 SAM slots and an optional micro SD card. I guess I don't know. Ooh, you get 168 megabytes of. So you get 128 megabytes of flash and 32 megs of SD RAM. Huh. Okay. See, look, nowadays you have all these. You have swipe, insert, chip, or just tap with your contactless, like Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, whatever you use. Yeah. But I think I've been rambling on for long enough. Yeah. And there's all their acquisitions. Holy shit. They paid. Jeez. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, so that's that. I thought I'd display that. Yeah. You don't have to watch all of this. Just watch the interesting. I don't give a shit. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.